Okay, okay, cold starting a Viper. Does look pretty though. Okay, cold start, right? Yeah, how about no? You can't cold start a Viper. Look. Eh, eh. Believe it or not, that button is frozen. Yeah. Not the brightest thing I've ever done. Washed it all up. This is the cold start button. I'm not kidding. I am trying to push this in, but... Look, I'm obviously right. How much force does it take to bend a finger backwards? I swear I'm not double jointed. Like, that's as far as I can bend it, right? All my fingers. I just don't get it. The car's trying to tell me something. Anyway, it doesn't work. I'm sorry, car. I could open the back up. Done. Okay, one time at band camp, I did this, and I had to take a flute and pry open the, no, I'm kidding. See if we can do this. And this is why they have the emergency button. Oh, she's up. She's this is a true cold start, isn't it? I mean, snow. 2 hours later. It's open. I just don't have my pry bar. Hold on, let me go to the shed and get my pry bar. Yeah. I'm not doing that. That was a joke, but to be honest with you, it's very beautiful glistening in the sun with the ice on it. But unfortunately, to get in the car, it's cold, right? Hey, did the guy get the back of his car open yet? Fuck no. Okay. If I break this window, you will never see this video, I swear. So if you're watching this video, don't worry, everything went safe. 4 minutes and counting and I can't open the car. Oops. Fuck. Okay. Doo-doo-doo-doo. I was gonna draw a sneaky Pete, but I don't want to draw a bad one. Okay, let's go look at Sneaky Pete. Okay. This is a Sneaky Pete. He's got a diamond head. We can do this. Superman would be so much easier at this point. Oh, but I don't want to do a backwards one. The one on the hood's backwards in case you didn't notice, but... Okay, well, whatever. I'm not really getting there, am I? Getting there. Meh? Pshaw! Okay, that's why I did that. I let my car. I have a place to park it. I'm kidding. I still can't get the fucker open though. Okay, Sneaky has no lower fangs. My bad. Sorry, bro. Okay, it took me a long time to get into my car. I still can't get in the fucking thing, but... Don't try this at home. Yeah, takes a while. Swear. Alright. Ah, ha, 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 ha. Got it. I'm just gonna sit here and wiggle it. Hee-haw. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if I was crazy, I'd climb in there and unlock my car, but I'm not crazy, so I'm just gonna reach in here and grab the switch and pull it if I can find it. Oh, I got it. Oh. Ah! I pulled that door. This button is still... Ah, now it fucking... You know what? I swear. Oh, man. Anyway, it starts. Oh, hell, maybe you don't believe me. Oh, maybe I don't believe me. Frosty the Serpent. Okay, sorry that took so long. Anyway, it was frozen, I'm not kidding, and the button, maybe the other one's still frozen. But I swear, that button was frozen. Ha! See that shit? The other one was in the direct sun, but it's ironic that it takes just as long to open up the back that it does for the button to thaw out in the sun. Anyway, no more Sneaky Pete. You see that blue thing? Yeah, that's very important. Guess what that is? I'll just open the door. Highly recommend this in your Viper. It is a motion sickness bag for the passenger. I'm just saying, they come with them OEM stock. See if you can get one at the dealership. They're motion sickness accessory, I guess. It comes in the car. There's a pouch, I'll show you. I got one in there now. This is the backup. Vomit. Anyway, I do like the car, but weather permits, you know. This is why I don't have an RT10, literally, because I knew this would happen. I'm not a happy face.